welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 16th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is tenses, right? So हम बात करने वाले हैं tenses के बारे में इस चैप्टर में. Tense का मतलब होता है time, right? So let us begin with the chapter and see कि tenses के बारे में हमें क्या क्या चीजें बताई जा रही हैं. So they say there are 3 kinds of tenses in English language. तो English language में total 3 तरीके के tenses होते हैं. That is present tense, past tense, future tense. Right? All these are the 3 kinds of tenses. Now, let's read all these kinds of tenses in the detailed form. So, सबसे पहले present tense की बात करते हैं. When a sentence denotes that the action is done in the present time, the sentence is said to be in present tense. कि जब एक sentence denote करता है एक action जो कि present time में किया गया हो, तब उस sentence को हम present tense मानते हैं, right? यानी कि जब हम अभी उस काम को perform कर रहे हो, right? The time which is going on, हम उसी time में perform कर रहे हो, तब वो present time में denote किया जाता है. The 4 forms of present tense along with hence the tense for the formation of sentences are as follows. अब ये जो present tense है ये भी further 4 categories में divided है. इन सभी के formation के hints हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं examples के साथ, right? So सबसे पहले है present indefinite tense. So use the first form of the verb plus s or es with singular form subject he, she, it or any single name. The first form of verb does not take s or es with plural form of subjects, that is I, we, you and they. Correct? Now we have examples over here, which is we go to school, he reads a book. Correct? Next, we have present continuous tense. अब present continuous tense का formation क्या है सबसे पहले वो जानते हैं. Use is, am, are plus first form of verb plus ing. Right? Examples हैं. She is writing a letter. I am dancing. Clear? Now moving ahead, we have present perfect tense. अब present perfect tense का formation क्या है? Use has or have plus the third form of verb. Right? Has or have को use करते हैं verb की third form के साथ. Examples: the teacher has taught us this lesson. They have done their work. Right? Next, the last one is present perfect continuous tense. अब ये जो present perfect continuous tense है, इसका formation क्या है? So it is use has or have plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for plus time. So since is used for the point of time. Since का use हम करते हैं एक particular point of time के लिए, और for is used for the period of time. For का use किया जाता है एक लंबे duration के लिए time के. Right? Examples दिए गए हैं. He has been writing a letter for 1 hour. They have been practicing music since 2 o'clock. Right? Next, we have past tense. अब ये past tense क्या है? Let's find out this. When a sentence indicates that the action was done in the past, the sentence is said to be in the past tense. कि एक सेंटेंस जब इंडिकेट करता है एक ऐसा एक्शन जो कि पास्ट में यानी बीते हुए समय में किया गया था, तब हम उस सेंटेंस को पास्ट टेंस में कहते हैं. The four forms of past tense along with hints for the formation of sentences are as follows. कि पास्ट टेंस के जो 4 फॉर्म्स हैं उन फॉर्म्स के फॉर्मेशंस सेंटेंसेस के हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं with examples. Let's read them. So the first one is past indefinite. So past indefinite tense को कैसे यूज करते हैं? Use second form of verb plus object. यानी कि ये कह रहे हैं कि हमें सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब का यूज करके ऑब्जेक्ट ऐड करना है. एग्जाम्पल, मोहन sang a song yesterday. Right? Next, we have past continuous tense. अब ये past continuous tense क्या है? Use was or were plus first form of verb plus ing. Correct? Example, Neelam was learning her lesson. Yes? Next, it is past perfect tense. अब past perfect tense का formation क्या है? Use had plus the third form of the verb. Correct? So the example is, the patient had died before the doctor came. Right? Next, we have past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense क्या है? Use had been plus verb plus ing plus since or for plus time. Correct? So the example is, he had been sleeping for 2 hours. Correct? Next, we have future tense. So, अब ये future tense क्या है? Let's see. When a sentence indicates that the action will be done in the future. जब एक sentence हमें बताता है कि एक action future में यानी आने वाले समय में किया जाएगा. Right? The sentence is said to be in the future tense. तब हम उस sentence को future tense में consider करते हैं. The 4 forms of future tense along with hints for formation of sentences are as follows. अब यहाँ पर हमें वही 4 forms future tense की दी गई हैं, उनके formation of sentences के hints plus examples भी दिए गए हैं. Let's read them. So first of all we have future indefinite. तो फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट क्यों यूज करते कैसे फॉर्म किया जाता है? यूज शैल और विल प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. यानी कि शैल और विल का यूज करेंगे फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब के साथ. एग्जाम्पल, दे विल राइट लेटर्स टुमारो. नेक्स्ट, वी हैव फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. अब फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस क्या है? यूज शैल बी or will be plus first form of verb plus ing. Right? Next, we have example. We will be reaching there on Monday. Correct? Next, we have future perfect tense. तो अब ये future perfect tense कैसे form किया जाता है? Use shall or will plus have plus third form. Correct? So the example says, he will have done his work by this time tomorrow. Next is future perfect continuous tense. अब बात की जाए future perfect continuous tense की. Use will have been plus verb plus ing plus since or for plus time. Correct? So the examples are, on 1st April, Sita will have been studying in this school for 5 years. Right? So that was all about the tenses. I hope you all are clear with the tenses, their kinds, their categories, and their formations as well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.